Hi, are you looking to provide your field employees, vendors, and our clients with up-to-date job information to keep everyone on the same page? At the same time, are you looking to streamline your CRM, estimating, scheduling, and job cost accounting? Well, we can help. Hi, my name is Jeff Knudsen, owner of Contractor Software Group. Since 1995, Contractor Software Group has been developing software for residential and light commercial construction. Today, Contractor Software Group has one of the only integrated but modular CRM, estimating, scheduling, and job cost accounting software products, along with a web portal to share job information with employees, vendors, and/or clients. In addition, we have CSG Central remote time card entry module to capture time in the field for processing payroll, job costing, and financial reporting. Today, I'm going to share with you features of our CSG Central, a web portal to share job information with employees, vendors, and our clients. CSG Central synchronizes data back and forth with the Professional Series, which is an integrated CRM, estimating, scheduling, and job cost accounting products. So the only thing you have to do is set up your employees, vendors, and/or clients with a name and password, along with the information you want them to see. Since our web portal is a web application, CSG Central sizes to device, so it doesn't matter if you're using a computer, laptop, tablet, and/or smartphone. Here, I'll be showing it on a smartphone. First, you'll enter in the name and password, and it will come up with your company logo, company name, and the company information. You'll then select on the hamburger icon in the left-hand corner of your phone, and this is where you can set up users, view your jobs, set up email notifications when changes are made and who receives those notifications. We also have a time card setup, time card entry, which is for our remote time card entry module for capturing time in the field, for processing payroll, job cost, and financial reports, which we'll talk about in a later video. And we have task reminders, which are to-dos based upon today's date and before, which we'll talk about later on in the video. So first thing we'll do is select jobs. This pulls up a listing of all the jobs. These jobs were created initially in our CRM system. You can filter these jobs by close under contract, completed, open, or all. You can filter it also by client, by project manager, by salesperson, and/or by sales center if you have multiple offices. In this case, we're going to select the kitchen remodel. We can also click on the map icon, which will actually pull up the map to this particular person's location. But we're going to press on the kitchen remodel and it pulls up information about this job. We also have to the upper right hand corner, we have a hamburger icon. This will show the current contract value, any approved change orders, and what the revised contract is. Down below that we have options. These are selections that they picked, which we can actually show pictures. Next to the job details, we have the opportunity info. This is the information that was initially set up when we updated from the time that they contacted us. Here we can click on the email icon and it'll launch your email account, or we can press on the phone and it'll actually launch your phone application to make a phone call. Next are the change orders tab. Employees or customers can actually initiate the change orders by clicking on the plus icon. The pricing of the change order is completed in our Sales Builder Professional and Estimating product. The customer can approve the change order in CSG Central. What we also have in this particular change order is the appliance allowance that was minused out, plus all the appliances that were selected along with pictures. Next to the change order is the attachments tab. This allows you to view a list of all the pictures and documents attached to this job. You can also take pictures and attach by hitting the plus icon, and this will actually launch your camera to take pictures and/or attach documents. In this scenario, we have a before picture, and we have what the job is going to look like. plus a PDF, which you can actually view the PDF, which in this case is the proposal that was created from our estimating product. And also I have the process of the demolition of a picture showing the removal of cabinets and countertops. Next to the attachments are notes. Here you can enter a daily log of what's happening on the job. In this case, we captured the daily log on who made the entry, along with a description. In this case, the description is demolition of cabinets and countertops. See demolition cabinets picture attachment. Here you can click on or press the plus icon, and you can create a new note. As you can see, there's a box called internal. These notes can be internal or they can be for external purposes. Next to the notes is schedule. This shows a listing of all the tasks with start dates and end dates, with who's assigned to those tasks. This schedule was created from our scheduling professional, and as the scheduling program is updated through scheduling professional, it automatically syncs back with this and keeps everybody notified with an email notification if you have that turned on. Here, a project manager can mark a task as 100% complete, or they can mark it as 50% complete, or whatever percentage. And again, this updates our scheduling program, which our scheduling program can also update our job costs to provide us with a percentage of completion reporting. Next to the schedule is the work order tab. This is a request for service work order. Employees or clients can request a service call by tapping on the plus icon. This synchronizes back and forth with our Sales Builder Professional customer service module for processes and tracking this work order. Next to this is the job tasks tab. This is a list of follow-up tasks of phone calls, meetings, or emails or to-dos for this particular job. The field PO module allows project managers to receive materials and or mark POs as completed. This updates the purchase orders in our job accounting professional product, so when the accounting department is entering invoices against purchase orders, they know that the materials had been received or the work has been completed. Finally, on the job information screen is the PO, subcontract, and employee work order tab, which shows all the purchase orders, subcontracts, and job employee work orders that have been created by our Takeoff professional estimating product. Another great feature of CSG Central are task reminders. This shows a list of tasks that need to be completed before this date. Here you can add notes for those tasks and complete those tasks by tapping on the box next to that specific task. You can add new follow-up tasks by tapping on the New Task button on the top of the screen. This feature in CSG Central synchronizes this information with our Sales Builder Professional to keep a history of completed and uncompleted tasks. What I shared with you in this video is some of the CSG Central job information that is available to employees, vendors, and our clients via smartphone. Since CSG Central synchronizes data back and forth with the Professional Series, there is no re-entry of information. What I didn't share with you is all the benefits that our Professional Series integrated CRM, estimating, scheduling, and job cost accounting products offer in streamlining your business so you can do more with less people. To schedule a demonstration, go to www.contractorsoftwaregroup.com or give us a call at 1-800-866-3083. You'll be glad you did. Thanks, and have a great day.